Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood lathes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Jet JWL1221 VS Variable Speed Wood Lathe. The Jet JWL1221 VS Variable Speed Wood Lathe is our pick for the best overall wood lathe. It features a powerful motor that can deliver between 60 and 3,600 revolutions per minute, RPMs, adjustable via a control knob, which should be more than enough for most projects. The lathe smoothly switches between forward and reverse at the flip of a switch. The spring-loaded spindle lock makes it easy to change wood projects, and belt tension is easy to adjust with the unique ratchet-style belt tensioning system. We enjoyed the smooth operation, especially in high RPMs afforded by the Jet JWL1221 VS, and we could only complain that it's a little heavy at 136 pounds, and the motor sits under the headstock, which causes it to collect a lot of shavings and dust. It provides 21 inches between centers and a 12-inch swing. Moving on at number 4, we have the WEN Variable Speed Benchtop Wood Lathe. The WEN 3421 Variable Speed Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe is our pick for the best wood lathe for the money. The work area is 12 inches long and 8 inches wide and is perfect for smaller projects like pens, cups, bowls, and more. The 3.2 amp motor will turn the wood between 750 and 3,200 RPMs. The 2.3-inch faceplate, MT1 spindle, and tailstock taper are all durably built, and despite being mostly cast iron, it only weighs 44.9 pounds. The downside to the WEN 3421, especially when compared to our top choice, is that the RPMs are a little slower, and there's less variable range in RPMs. We also found that it bogged down easily, so you need to be mindful of your application pressure. It provides 12 inches between centers and an 8-inch swing. At number 3, we have the Powermatic 3520B Wood Lathe. The Powermatic 1352001 3520B Wood Lathe is our pick for the premium choice wood lathe. It uses a powerful 6.2 amp 2 HP motor to create up to 3,200 RPM. It includes 2 interchangeable pulleys that you can switch to adjust the RPMs. One pulley operates between 50 and 1,200 RPM, and the other between 125 and 3,200 RPM. It's made of heavy-duty cast iron and provides you with a large 20 by 35-inch work area. A digital RPM meter is easy to read, and it includes several accessories, including a guard, tool rest, faceplate, wrench, knockout rod, and spindle lock. The Powermatic 1352001 is extremely powerful and never bogs down. You can complete a wide range of projects in the large workspace, and the only thing we can complain about is its extreme 682-pound weight, which makes for a challenging assembly. It provides 35 inches between centers and a 20-inch swing. At number 2, we have the Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe. The Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe features a 12-inch workspace for working on small projects. It has 2 tool rests for various turning applications. The 1/3 HP engine creates up to 3,200 RPM, and the speed is variable. Its cast iron construction is durable, yet the entire machine weighs only 52 pounds. While we were using the Fox W1704, we felt it was not very powerful, and it would often bog down even when working on small project. Also, the knobs would often work themselves loose from the vibrations. It provides 12 inches between centers and an 8-inch swing. And finally at number 1, we have the Delta Industrial 46-460 Variable Speed Midi Lathe. The Delta Industrial 46-460 variable speed Midi lathe features a 1 HP motor that can deliver up to 1,725 RPM that you can adjust using the variable speed controller down to 700 RPM. Different pulleys change the range of RPMs, and the 12.5-inch swing is perfect for smaller projects. It weighs about 100 pounds and features a patented belt tensioning system for making quick adjustments. What we didn't like about the Delta Industrial 46-460 was that the bed wasn't completely smooth and made it hard to use the tools in certain areas. It vibrates quite a bit at higher RPMs, and they installed the forward and reverse switches backward. We checked the internet to see if we were the only ones who had a backward switch, but apparently, everyone does.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.